Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bootstrap Icons with Bootstrap, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Bootstrap Icons with Bootstrap, start by navigating to the official Bootstrap Icons website. Once you're there, click on the download button to obtain the icons package. Next, locate your project folder on your computer. Unzip the downloaded Bootstrap Icons folder. Inside the unzipped folder, find the CSS and fonts directories. Copy the CSS folder to your project's main directory. Now, navigate to your main HTML file. Within the head section of your HTML file, link the Bootstrap CSS if you haven't done so already. Add a link to the Bootstrap Icons CSS by including the appropriate path to the CSS file you just copied. After linking the CSS, ensure you have Bootstrap included in your project. You can do this by adding a link to Bootstrap CSS file if it's not already there. Next, you'll need to include either the Bootstrap.js or CDN links for Bootstrap. Add the Bootstrap script link before the closing /body tag in your HTML. Now, you can start using the icons in your project. To do this, reference the icons in your HTML file using the appropriate class names. For example, to include a trashcan icon, use the I tag with the class by bytrash. Customize your icons further by adding additional classes as necessary, such as sizing or color. Finally, test your website in a browser to ensure the icons are displaying correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Bootstrap Icons with Bootstrap in your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.